If you are planning to get married in St. Petersburg, Clearwater, Largo, or anywhere in Pinellas County, you need to apply for your marriage license through the Pinellas County Clerk's office. But you do not need to pay full price, and if you are a Florida resident, you absolutely do not need to wait 3 days to have your ceremony. Hi, I'm Kristen Franson, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact Pinellas County process, what documents you need, and a legal loophole to save $25 on your application fee. First, let's look at the highly specific local cost. The standard fee for a marriage license at the Pinellas County Clerk's office is $86. However, if you complete an approved 4-hour Florida premarital preparation course, like the official program we offer at Cadenza Counseling, the county is legally required to reduce your fee by exactly $25. That brings your total cost at the courthouse down to just $61. Beyond saving money, there is a major time-saving benefit for locals. Under Florida state law, if either you or your partner is a Florida resident, you are forced to wait 3 days after getting your license before you can legally get married. But if you present our course certificate when you apply, the clerk will instantly waive that mandatory wait. You could legally get married the exact same day you walk out of the building. To get this $25 discount and waive your waiting period, you just need to take our state-approved online course. At Cadenza Counseling, our official Florida course is entirely self-paced and 100% online. You can access it from your phone or laptop, pause whenever you need, and pick it right back up. Best of all, our course is only $14.49. There are no hidden fees, and your official certificate is generated instantly the moment you finish. When you are ready to apply, both you and your partner must appear together in person. You can visit the Main Courthouse on Court Street in Clearwater, or you can visit any of the regional branches like the St. Petersburg main office on First Avenue North or the Tyrone and North County branches. Hand the clerk your printed Cadenza counseling certificate along with valid government-issued photo IDs like a driver's license or passport, and know your social security numbers. Keep in mind that Pinellas County does not accept personal checks, and using a credit card will add a 3.5% fee. They will verify your certificate, apply your $25 discount, and issue your active license right there. To claim your $25 Pinellas County discount and skip the waiting period, click the link in the description below to register for our official Florida premarital preparation course. You can finish it for just $14.49 and print your certificate today. If you have any questions about the St. Petersburg, Clearwater, or Pinellas County marriage license process, let me know in the comments below. Congratulations on your wedding.